Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Google account currently linked and making a backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, open Mobile Legends and navigate to Profile, then Account to view linked services. Make sure two-step verification and recovery phone or email are active on the Google account you plan to switch from or to. This step ensures you can restore access if re-verification is required, so don't skip it. Do the backup now and verify the linked account details before moving on. You now remove the old link and prepare the new Google account. Sign out of Google Play Games on your device and clear the account linkage in Mobile Legends if available. Then, add and sign into the target Google account on your device and enable Play Games for that account so authentication is ready. In Mobile Legends, choose Account Unlink for the old Google link, then immediately select Bind and pick the new Google account. This ensures the game maps progress to the proper Google profile. You finish by confirming the bind. Accept prompts, watch for the success notification, and then verify in account linked accounts that the new Google email appears. If something goes wrong, first clear Mobile Legends cache, force stop, or reinstall the app and repeat the bind steps while signed into the correct Google account. If issues persist, contact game support with your UID, server, and proof of ownership. Make sure to explain the steps you tried so they can restore linkage quickly for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.